Hey, DIY friends! Welcome back to your channel name, where we turn creative ideas into stunning DIY projects. Today we're doing something a little different. We're talking about teamwork. Think about it. You're wrestling with a giant piece of plywood, trying to hold it steady while you screw it in. It's like trying to wrangle a bear while juggling chainsaws. But bring in a friend and suddenly it's a piece of cake. One of you holds, the other secures, boom, done. No more accidental trips to the ER. Having someone else there brings in fresh ideas, helps you troubleshoot problems faster, and honestly, makes the whole DIY process way more fun. Because let's be real, who doesn't love a good excuse to hang out with friends and make something awesome? So, in this video, we're gonna break down why collaboration is key, how to ask for help without feeling like a DIY failure, and the best ways to divide and conquer your next project. Let's do this. So grab your tools, call up a friend, and let's get started on making something amazing together. Alright, let's talk about why you shouldn't be a DIY hermit. First off, more hands mean less struggle. We've all been there trying to maneuver a heavy couch up a flight of stairs, sweating, swearing, and questioning our life choices. But with a friend, it becomes a fun little furniture-moving montage. Plus, you're way less likely to throw your back out. Second, everyone brings their own unique skills to the table. Maybe you're a saw-wielding wood-cutting machine, but your friend? They're basically Picasso with a paintbrush. Working together means you can leverage each other's strengths and create something truly amazing. It's like assembling a DIY Justice League. Third, problem solving becomes a breeze. Ever get stuck on a step and spend hours trying to figure it out? With a fresh set of eyes, you might find the solution in minutes. Plus, celebrating a job well done is always more fun with friends. Okay, so you're convinced that teamwork makes the DIY dream work. But how do you actually go about asking for help without feeling like you're imposing on others? It can be tricky, right? You don't want to come off as needy or burdensome. But here's the good news, it's simpler than you think. First, choose the right person for the job. This is crucial. Need someone to help you demo a wall? Don't ask your friend who's afraid of a little dust or mess. Instead, call in your buddy who loves to smash stuff. They'll be thrilled to help. Second, be specific about what you need. Vague requests can lead to confusion. Instead, say something like, "Hey, I'm building a bookshelf and could really use an extra set of hands to help me hold the boards while I screw them in. It'll take about an hour and we can order pizza after." Adding a fun incentive always helps. See? Clear, concise, and delicious. Everyone loves pizza. Remember, you're not just asking for help, you're inviting someone to be a part of something awesome. It's a shared experience. And finally, show your appreciation. A little gratitude goes a long way. A simple thank you goes a long way. But you can also return the favor by offering to help with their next project. It's all about building a community of support. Alright, you've got your DIY dream team assembled, now it's time to divide and conquer those tasks. One effective method is the assembly line approach. This works great for big projects like building furniture or tackling a room renovation. One person measures and cuts, another sands and preps, and a third person assembles. It's like a well-oiled DIY machine. Another strategy is skill-based task assignment. Got someone who's a whiz with a paintbrush? Let them handle the finishing touches. Have a friend who's got an eye for detail? They're in charge of measurements. Play to each other's strengths, and watch the magic happen. Even with the best intentions, teamwork can sometimes go sideways. But fear not, my DIY friends, I'm here to help you avoid common pitfalls. Mistake number 1, not having a clear plan. Before you even pick up a hammer, sit down with your team and discuss the project in detail. What are the steps? Who's doing what? What are the deadlines? Having a roadmap will save you a lot of headaches down the road. Mistake number 2, too many cooks in the kitchen. While it's great to have help, too many people can actually slow you down. Stick to a small, dedicated team of 3 to 4 people max. You'll be more efficient and avoid any accidental power tool collisions. Mistake number 3, forgetting about safety. DIY should be fun, not dangerous. Make sure everyone is wearing appropriate safety gear like eye protection and gloves, and review tool safety before you begin. Safety first, DIY second. Alright, you're almost ready to unleash your inner DIY dream team. But first, here are a few final tips to ensure a smooth and successful collaboration. First, set a realistic deadline. This will help keep everyone motivated and prevent the project from dragging on forever. Second, keep your workspace organized. A cluttered workspace leads to wasted time and frustration. Designate areas for tools, materials, and trash. And finally, celebrate your success. Once the project is complete, take a step back and admire your handiwork. And there you have it, DIY is better together. Whether you're building furniture, redecorating, or just having fun with home improvement, getting help makes the process smoother and more enjoyable. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever collaborated on a DIY project? What was your experience like? Drop a comment below. Did you build a treehouse with your best friend? Renovate a bathroom with your significant other? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing your stories. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more DIY inspiration. And hey, if you want to see more videos about teamwork, collaboration, or maybe even a DIY challenge with a bunch of friends, give this video a thumbs up. Check out my other DIY collaboration videos right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project. GAP 2S. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the amazing benefits of teamwork in DIY projects that we haven't covered yet. Teamwork can transform a simple project into an enjoyable and efficient experience. First up, increased efficiency. When you have more hands on deck, tasks get done faster. This means you can complete your project in a fraction of the time it would take if you were working alone. Imagine assembling a complicated bookshelf by yourself. It can take hours. The frustration and time spent can be overwhelming, but with a friend or family member, you can cut that time in half, and maybe even have a few laughs along the way. Next, shared knowledge. This is where teamwork truly shines. Everyone brings their own set of skills and expertise to the table. This diversity in skills can be a game changer for your project. Maybe you're great at painting, but your friend knows all about power tools. Combining these skills can make the project not only easier but also more fun. Together you can tackle more complex projects and learn from each other in the process. Then there's enhanced creativity. This is another fantastic benefit of working as a team. 2 or more heads are definitely better than one when it comes to brainstorming ideas. The synergy created by multiple minds working together can lead to truly innovative solutions. Collaborating allows you to bounce ideas off each other, leading to more innovative and creative solutions. You might come up with a design or feature that you wouldn't have thought of on your own. This collaborative creativity can make your project stand out. Finally, let's not forget the emotional benefits. Working on a project together strengthens bonds and creates lasting memories. The shared experience can be incredibly rewarding. Working on a project together strengthens bonds and creates lasting memories. Whether you're teaming up with family, friends, or even your kids, the shared experience is something you'll remember long after the project is complete. Whether you're teaming up with family, friends, or even your kids, the shared experience is something you'll remember long after the project is complete. The joy of working together can be as fulfilling as the project itself. So the next time you're planning a DIY project, think about who you can invite to join you. The benefits are endless, and you might just have the best time ever. Plus, the sense of accomplishment you'll feel when you complete a project together is unmatched. Thanks again for watching, and happy DIYing. Remember, teamwork makes the dream work. It's the